Digital marketing has revolutionized the way businesses reach and engage with their audience, offering powerful tools to drive brand awareness, generate leads, and increase sales. Leveraging digital channels like social media, email, content marketing, and search engines can significantly enhance a business's reach and impact. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to promote a business effectively through digital marketing. 1. Define your digital marketing goals. Before jumping into various tactics, it's crucial to establish what you want to achieve. Common goals include: 2. Understand your target audience. Knowing your audience is fundamental. Researching demographics, interests, online behavior, and pain points helps you tailor your marketing efforts. For instance, if you are targeting millennials, focusing on platforms like Instagram and TikTok might be effective, while a B2B audience may be more active on LinkedIn. Create peer personas, detailed representations of your ideal customers. Each persona should include factors like age, occupation, purchasing behavior, and preferred communication channels. Understanding these details enables you to craft messages that resonate and meet the needs of different segments. 3. Build a user-friendly website. Your website serves as the central hub for your digital marketing efforts. It should. Your website serves as the central hub for your digital marketing efforts. It should. 4. Leverage content marketing. Content marketing is at the heart of digital marketing, providing valuable, informative, or entertaining content builds trust and establishes your business as an authority in the industry. Effective content types include: 5. Use social media marketing. Social media platforms offer diverse ways to connect with audiences. Choose platforms that align with your target audience. Engagement is key. Responding to comments, sharing user-generated content, and maintaining a consistent brand voice across platforms helps build a loyal community. 6. Invest in search engine optimization (SEO). SEO is critical for making your website discoverable through search engines like Google. Effective SEO includes: 7. Run pay-per-click PPC advertising campaigns. While SEO offers long-term growth, PPC advertising provides immediate visibility through platforms like Google Ads. You can bid on keywords to appear at the top of search results. PPC ads allow you to control your budget, specify your target audience, and only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Remarketing campaigns are another valuable tactic. They allow you to re-engage users who visited your website but didn't convert by displaying your ads on other sites they visit. 8. Implement email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to communicate with your audience. It enables you to nurture leads, promote products, and build relationships over time. Key strategies include 9. Analyze data and optimize. Digital marketing generates a wealth of data. Regularly analyzing this data is essential for refining your strategy. Use tools like Google Analytics to track key metrics, including 10. Explore influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has gained popularity as a way to tap into existing communities. By partnering with influencers whose audience matches your target market, you can reach potential customers in a trusted and authentic way. Choose influencers who align with your brand values and have high engagement rates. Sponsored posts, giveaways, or collaborations can help raise brand awareness and drive sales. 11. Use video marketing. Video content is increasingly preferred by audiences with platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok seeing tremendous engagement. Videos can be used to 12. Leverage customer reviews and testimonials. Social proof is a powerful influencer. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and Facebook. You can also display testimonials on your website. Positive reviews build trust with potential customers and improve your online reputation, which can enhance your SEO and increase conversions. 13. Experiment with emerging technologies. Stay ahead of the curve by exploring technologies like chatbots, automate responses to common questions, provide 24/7 customer support, and capture leads. Artificial intelligence AI. Use AI-driven tools for personalized content, customer service, and predictive analytics. Voice search optimization. With the rise of voice search, optimize content to include conversational keywords that match how people speak to virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. Conclusion. Digital marketing offers a dynamic array of tools to promote a business effectively. By understanding your audience, creating engaging content,